I'm driving through this nasty yard here in Ohio, and this is only a small fraction of it, but to me, it's crazy to see how many trucks are parked on a Monday morning. That tells you how crazy our industry is. I mean, bobtails in that row right there, and I mean, there's tons of rows of that on the other side of this place. Just all these trucks not moving, you know, like, well, I tell you, is definitely going through something right now for sure. But I seen this peat over here. I want to know what the word is on this peat. I don't know if it's for sale or what. We'll find out right now. I'm gonna go get a closer look at this thing real quick. Look at it and see what's... Look at that peat. Look like it got rolled over, but it got the sleeper I want. I wonder, I'm gonna go roll up on it. Let's go roll up on it. I wonder if they get mad if I roll up on that peat. Let's go take a quick look. I'd roll this thing. I'd buy it and make it a project for sure, man. Stretch the frame out, put a new window in the back. Look like it's just been sitting in somebody's field. Don't look like no motors in it either. Oh, there's a motor in there. Got a couple like rebuildable trucks here. I don't know if it's been laid over or if it's just was sat in the field to die. I don't know. There's a bunch of parts in there, the motor parts. So it looked like it had a motor issue. It just sat. I wonder who I can talk to around here about this thing. It'd be fun. This would be a hell of a project right here. I would be all for this project all day long, especially if all the sleeper parts are in here. Be all about this project right here. This is pretty cool. Yes. And that's a yellow motor in there. Wonder if the sleeper stuff is around in here. You can't see. It says Dawes Transport Milwaukee right here. That's crazy. So this is an old Dawes truck. It was out of Milwaukee, out of Wisconsin. Clean truck, man. I'd have fun with something like that, rebuilding that from the ground up. That'd definitely give me something to do. I'd probably repaint it purple, do the frame purple, do it all purple, stretch it out. Got a T6 back here. This might be somebody's truck though. They put new headlights in it and everything. Huh, Kimball's. That's funny. Yeah, this looks like somebody's working on this. Looks like somebody's doing some work. T6, I get lit up. I should say Kenworth. Oh, they got a couple Volvos back here. Thing to go pick up trucks. Now we got some. It's a Volvo motor. Yeah, it's a Volvo motor. Couple Volvos back there. Now y'all know I'm in heaven right now. Think you a Mac. Got Detroit sitting right here. Man, got a bunch of stuff in here. Told him, I said, I just want to walk around and look. Another motor sitting right there. A couple motors sitting there. He's got a lot of stuff in here, man. It's your old RV. I'd love to walk inside that. Oh, look at this. Now look at this. Oh, old Dirty National. Ooh, with the little sleeper on it too. I remember my dad had one of these. And we took it on the road. Me, my brother, and my dad was in that little sleeper like that. Remember we was playing Tekken. I like this little thing right here. I think these these little tiny sleeper on it. These little things are cool. I don't know what it is about tiny sleeper trucks. I just think are cool. Old Freightliner. Got the van chair in there. Look at that. And then you got the bed is right here behind the seat. Boy, ain't no room in this motherfucker at all. Be a fun little truck to ride in, though. I don't know. I can weird stuff like this, man. You got the new music, new speakers up there. Ooh, he was riding. He was enjoying life. And you got this nice and bright. Climb my butt out of here. And there's a classic over here. Got the. But look at this classic. I like this. It's another rebuildable one. Like if you were trying to find one to put together. I know in these times we ain't putting shit together, but this be a rebuildable kind of truck. Have fun to just start over with. Start from the ground up. Oh, he made his own 6.5-inch speakers in there. I see you, or them 5x7s. Okay, I see you. Living loud right there, buddy. It's nice. Oh no, he got his own straps to hold the visor on. I see you. Woo. Oh man, a Volvo. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff here. And a Porsche. Volvo and a Porsche. Take your pick. All right, let me go. How much he wants for that damn 379 now. Let's go see.